Hi, everybody. Thank you for watching. Today, we're going to discuss connecting MailChimp with Drop Cowboy. Go ahead and make your way over to Zapier.com. Once you're on Zapier.com, go ahead and click the search app. We're going to type in MailChimp. So, make your way to your integration section. Go ahead and search in the Peering Apps application. You're always going to search for Drop Cowboy. Once you get to this page, it's going to tell you to connect the two together. Now, you can connect what is called a zap. You can connect as many zaps as you want. So the way this works is something needs to happen within MailChimp in order to send a message through Drop Cowboy. So something needs to happen in MailChimp in order to send either a voicemail, a text, or a voice broadcast within Drop Cowboy. So MailChimp actually provides quite a bit of functionality here. So go ahead and choose the trigger steps. Now, as you all know, MailChimp is an email blast section, but MailChimp is usually paired with a lot of different types of industries. So, for instance, something can happen where there's an abandoned cart. Then you can send the email, and if the email is opened, which then can trigger something. Or if you do a um, big email blast offering a special discount or a special product, they open it. You can then click a once they open email open, you can send a voicemail. So let's go click email opened, which will then trigger a ringless voicemail or a text message or so on. So for instance, if someone opens an email for a new pair of jeans or whatever it may be, did not purchase those jeans, then you can offer them an even deeper discount. Clearly they were interested in that product. Maybe that 10% coupon you offered in email just wasn't enough. So, send them a 20% coupon code, get them in the system within 24 hours or whatever it may be. But they have a lot of functionality. New audience, you can then send a voicemail saying, hey, thank you for joining our program. We love to have you here. Please join a loyalty program for any discounts. New order, we really appreciate your business. For future orders, here's a 25% off discount over $100. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of functionality that you can then get these customers more engaged outside of email. We can get them engaged on via text, broadcast, or voicemail that make it feel more personalized and get them back into your system. And that's it. Thank you, and have a great day.